Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 6-bedroom, 4-bathroom house for sale. It is located on Patterson Boulevard in Whitehouse, Westmoreland, and it sits on 0.11 acres of land. It is nestled just 2 minutes away from the pristine beaches and conveniently close to the bustling town. This property offers the perfect balance of tranquility and accessibility. It awaits your finishing touches. Guys, let's take a look at the exterior of this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 26 million or US $168,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.